Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So few days back I got a call from Rushabh Honda. It is an exclusive Honda 4-wheeler dealership over here in Nashik, and also the same dealership from where I bought my Honda City. So they gave me a call and they have invited me for the launch ceremony of the all new Honda Amaze. So the venue was organized on 16th of May. So today is 16th of May and right now I'm going for the launch ceremony of the all new Honda Amaze. So let's go and let's have an amazing time. Alright guys, so finally I have reached over here at Rushabh Honda. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इसके पीछे कार्स हैं. यहाँ पे एक मॉडल है, इसके पीछे बेसिकली टॉप एंड वेरिएंट रहता है, और उधर एक यहाँ पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. आपने इनको बहुत पुराने वीडियोस में देखा होगा. जो मेरा होंडा सिटी का वीडियो था जो कि मैंने यहीं पे शूट किया था, वो वाला, बाद में WRV के वीडियोस में. अपने नाम बता दीजिए.
हाँ, सुयोग सिंह. शक्ति. हाय.
वाह शक्ति.
आवाज़ गया है.
हाँ हाँ, माइक है ना ऊपर. तो फिर चलो, अभी इवेंट स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. अराउंड 15 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा स्टार्ट इवेंट. लेट्स एंजॉय द इवेंट.
Now the time came for the most awaited all new Honda Amaze, and the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, and start.
Alright guys, so here is the all new 2018 Honda Amaze, and by the first glance itself you can clearly understand that this car is in its new avatar. So this is basically the second generation of the Honda Amaze lineup. The new design language carries the Honda's new cutting edge design, which we have already seen in City and Accord. The face of the new Amaze resembles the Accord, the rear resembles the Civic sedan, the side look is borrowed from the City. More changes includes the increase in the wheel size from 14 inches to 15 inch, and the top end ZX variant comes with 16 inch wheel. For design element, it has also got the new shark fin antenna. The boot space has also been increased by 20 liters, which make it total 420 liters of boot space. But the major changes has been done in the interior of the new Amaze. The use of black and beige finish in the cabin creates more sense of space inside. The piano black touch at the dash adds to the overall premiumness. The plastic used in the center console is of fine quality. Also, the top-end variant gets the Honda's Digipad 2.0 touchscreen infotainment system that supports navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now the biggest add-on for the all-new Honda Amaze is that now it gets an option of diesel engine with CVT automatic transmission, which makes it the first in class to provide this combination. Now talking about the engine options, it gets an 1.2 liter petrol engine which creates 89 bhp of power and 110 Newton meters of torque. And then you get an option of 1.5 liter diesel engine which creates 99 bhp of power and 200 Newton meters of torque. Both the engine comes with an option of manual and CVT automatic transmission. Now talking about the dimension, the length of this car is 3995 mm, width is 1695 mm, height is 1501 mm, and the ground clearance is 170 mm. The top end ZX variant has a 172 mm of ground clearance. Now let's talk about the comfort. The front driver and passenger gets good bucket seat The only problem of the seats are it does not has proper amount of side hump. So in case of high speed turns, the driver tends to slide from its position. Rather than that, everything is good, you get a good amount of headroom also. Now talking about the rear seat, you get a good amount of legroom as well as headroom.
Alright guys, so right now I'm going for the test ride of the all new Honda Amaze. सबसे पहले मैं डीजल ऑटोमेटिक की टेस्ट राइड ले रहा हूँ. So let's go. Let's try it.
Alright guys, so talking about the drive quality, it's smooth. The suspension setup is just awesome. It soaks up bumps really very easily. As I told you, the front seats are also comfortable. You get a good amount of headroom. Overall, it's really a very pleasant feel to drive this car. Talking about the visibility is great. In fact, from this position, I'm also able to see the end of the hood, which is really very great. So overall, no doubt, this car gives you the proper feel of Honda cars. So as I told you, right now I'm driving the diesel automatic variant. Talking about the transmission is smooth. You cannot at all feel the shifting, which is really very great. It's only when you rev it hard, that time only you can feel the gear shifts. Now the biggest reason why nowadays people are going for the automatic transmission is ease of drive. Now Nashik does not face traffic jam regularly, but in cities like Mumbai and Delhi where traffic jam is regular thing, the automatic transmission helps you a lot. Pressing clutch again and again and shifting gears are really very hectic for long traffic jams. So that is the reason why Indian customer nowadays search for an automatic car. But the biggest problem in the automatic variants was that it used to only come in petrol variant. Now as per me, petrol engines are great. I personally recommend petrol engine only, but for few people mileage matters. That is the reason why they go for the diesel engine. So finally at this price point we have an diesel automatic variant, which is really very great.
Alright guys, so here I end my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.